Hi there. You need to fix your life first before you think about fixing your finances. Hear me out. Other people ask amazing questions like, which investment should I do? How can I make passive income? How do I become financially free? But they never ask the most important question. Am I the kind of person who can build wealth? Money rarely fixes broken lives. It exposes them. Give a disciplined person 1 million shilling, they'll probably invest it. Give a financially broken person 1 million shillings, they'll most likely spend it frivolously in a few months. You've seen it happen. Lottery winners becoming broke, footballers earning millions but retiring bankrupt, people getting huge promotions but they are still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because the money wasn't the problem. Their life was. That is why today I want to talk about something that's uncomfortable, but we need to talk about. You are all much welcome to my channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. In case you are new here, kindly consider subscribing because I'm bringing you amazing videos each and every day on matters money so that you can be educated. Thanks for subscribing and also dropping a like on this video. Let's start by first of all looking at what money is. Money is a mirror. Money magnifies who you already are. If you are patient, money rewards patience. If you are impulsive, money funds bigger mistakes. If you are disciplined, money grows when you touch it and you have a disciplined plan to realize that particular growth. If you are careless, money disappears faster as soon as you touch it. Think about this. Two people earn exactly the same amount of money, maybe 300,000 Kenya shillings each and every month. One builds wealth, the other has nothing to show even after 10 years of working. Same income, different habits, and by effect, different identities or outcomes. Money doesn't create character. What money typically does is it reveals the character. That is why personal development and financial development are inseparable. They go together. If your personal development is off, chances are, even if you're given tons of money, you will only squander that particular money. Let's talk about the hidden systems that quietly destroy your finances. These are broken personal systems that destroy wealth. System number one, no self-control. This is the biggest one. Most money problems aren't math problems, they are emotional problems. Buying things because you are stressed, making poor decisions because you are stressed, shopping because you are bored, eating because cooking feels hard, taking loans because waiting feels painful. You can't even wait 1 week for you to make money in a same way, investing in scams because you want to get rich quick, and grinding feels like it's boring. The issue isn't money, it is impulse control. If you cannot delay gratification, you cannot build wealth. Simple as that. The second broken system is living for applause. Basically, you like it when people clap for you. You like it when people tell you you are amazing. You like it when people tell you you are the most stylish person in town. You want to buy the latest phone, luxury clothes, expensive vacations, car that you don't need and can't comfortably afford. Why? Because you are looking for validation. That is unfortunate because you're technically financing other people's opinions instead of financing what you truly need, what you are able to afford. Here's something successful people eventually learn. Nobody thinks about you as much as you think they do. People admire your car today, fair enough. But then again, tomorrow they are worried about their own lives. Adults out here have their own realities. Meanwhile, you'll remain paying loans, which you took to impress people out there. And then the third broken system is lack of direction. Imagine you ordering an Uber or getting into a taxi, and then you tell the driver, let's go wherever. The driver is going to ask you, where do you want to go? You are like, I don't know. You're going to drive the entire day and go nowhere. And woe unto you because you'll even go to a very far off place, which is going to cost you more to come back, which even you won't know where you are. That is why when it comes to handling money, if you have no goals, no investment plan, no emergency fund target, no retirement plan, every month becomes financial improvisation, which is a big challenge because your money is going to be coming in and going to whichever direction. Money without direction always finds somewhere to disappear and unfortunately disappear to a place you'll never get it back. And then the fourth broken system is bad relationships. These hurt. Wrong friends, wrong business partners, wrong spouse, wrong social circles. Those can derail you big time because they do destroy years of financial progress. If everyone around you spends recklessly, eventually you'll normalize reckless spending. Okay? Your environment silently shapes your financial behavior. So you better choose wisely who you want in your circle. That is a critical thing for you. And then the fifth broken system is laziness disguised as waiting. Many people say, I'm waiting for the right opportunity. The reality is that they are avoiding the difficult work. Simply put, they are lazy. Wake up, don't be lazy. Learn skill, build a business, go out there, network, start saving consistently, even if it looks like it's painful, it is pinching you. Save consistently. Start investing gradually and start today with whichever amount of money. Nobody out there accidentally becomes rich or wealthy. They are intentional. Wealth usually rewards years of boring consistency, not short term excitement or postponement. And then the sixth broken system is poor health. Guys, health is wealth. If you're not healthy, you won't be able to pursue and achieve your financial goals because hospital bills, missed work, low productivity, mental exhaustion, all these are actually going to end up exhausting your cheap insurance because these you're going to pay handsomely for them. That is why it is important to take care of your body. Do exercise regularly. Do catch ample sleep even as you are grinding. Ensure you eat healthy food. And then, most importantly, for an adult out there, have better ways to manage stress because a healthy person has opportunities a sick person can never pursue because the priority, once your health is down, the priority is fixing the health. And then the seventh broken system is victim mindset. Fair enough. Life is unfair. Yes, the economy is difficult. I fully agree. Inflation hurts. In fact, inflation is rising. Okay, taxes are increasing. I fully agree. Jobs are disappearing. People are losing their jobs. Those things are real. We are on the same page on that. But wealthy people ask questions differently. Simply put, what can I control? Poor people ask, whose fault is this? While the wealthy are asking, what can I control? Because they're thinking about mitigation and thriving even with these challenges. Your attention determines your direction. Focus on solutions and you're going to prosper. Focus on excuses, you'll remain poor and even do worse off than you are. So, in light of all these, okay, let's first of all talk about how you fix your life in light of these broken systems. Then we talk about how to fix your money. Now, let's build after you understanding this. Start with the daily system, not your investment. Step one, you simply need to understand. Wake up with a purpose, okay? Have a structure, have a plan for the day. People who manage time usually manage money better. Then step two, become emotionally stable. Don't let every emotion become a purchase. Celebrate without overspending, okay? Deal with stress without shopping as a distraction or coping mechanism, okay? Learn to sit with discomfort. Yes, it's difficult, but learn to sit with discomfort sometimes. This single skill creates millionaire. You knowing how to manage emotions. And then step three, improve your earning ability. Invest in yourself before investing in stocks. Learn a skill, improve your communication, improve your ability to sell, scale up your leadership skills, okay? Learn technology because we are in a technology era. Talk about AI, blockchain, IoT, whichever technologies out there. Learn how to negotiate. Your biggest asset isn't you jumping on a portfolio whose knowledge you don't know how to put together. Your biggest knowledge is learning to invest in yourself. And then step 4, build discipline. Guys, this is a deal breaker. Discipline any day, anytime beats motivation. You could be motivated, you could be speaking big, but then again, motivation disappears. Discipline stays. Save automatically, okay? Exercise consistently. Read regularly. Invest monthly. These are discipline practices which you can start developing. You need to start small. Small, repeated actions become extraordinary results as opposed to you sitting there waiting for the right time and talking big motivation. And then step 5, surround yourself with people moving forward. Your friends have big influence because your circle influence your ambitions, influence your standards, influence how you do spend, influence the opportunities you pursue out there or even the opportunities you do see. That's why you need to choose wisely. That way, you'll have fixed your life, fixed your personal system. Then once you fix this, now let's talk about fixing money. Yes, now let's talk about fixing your money, given you fixed your personal life and structure. Money now becomes much easier to fix. And here is the order I'd recommend for you to go about fixing money. Step 1, know exactly where every shilling goes. Simply put, budget, track expenses. You cannot improve what you don't measure. Start by measuring and then you can improve. Second step, build emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's the best practice. This stops emergencies from becoming debt because without this, you're going to borrow to fund your emergencies. And then step 3 in you fixing finances is paying off expensive debt. Yes, those debts, especially which have high interests. I'll talk about utilizing avalanche technique to knock those big debts off so as to reduce interest and ultimately eliminate all of them. And then step 4, increase your income. In case you are working full-time job out there, negotiate your salary. Also, as you are continuing to work full-time, do part-time freelancing. On the side, start a side business. Build another income stream. Saving alone rarely creates wealth. That is why it is a poor mindset for you to think you're going to save yourself into wealth. No one ever saved themselves into wealth. And then step 5, when it comes to fixing your finances, is investing consistently. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start investing. Use simple techniques like dollar cost averaging. Use diversified investments to build your portfolio. Think decades, not weeks, because you are not chasing sentiments, you are chasing value. The richest people out there aren't the smartest. They are the most consistent and they think long term. And then step 6, protect your wealth. Okay? That is why we have insurances out there. That's why people build emergency savings. Okay? That is why they do estate planning and also they avoid scams. Preserving money is just as important as making it. And with that, guys, here is what I want you to take home. Money is not your first problem, okay? As I've discussed, chances are your systems are the first problem, okay? You need to fix your habits. You need to fix your health. You need to fix your discipline. You need to fix your relationships, which you are having, whether it's family relationships, friends, you name it. You need to fix your mindset, okay? You need to fix your consistency. Keep being consistent, keep going. Develop that particular discipline to keep moving. Then after you fix all these, you can fix your finances. Because when a disciplined person gets money, money grows. When a careless person gets money, money problems grow. Basically, their money is going to become their problem. So as such, don't just chase wealth fast. Yes, you start chasing wealth, but also ensure you are becoming the kind of person who can be entrusted with wealth and most importantly, grow it. Money flows towards people who can manage it. Becomes that person. If you become that person, then you're going to be able to utilize the money you have right now to grow your wealth and most importantly, increase your wealth. You just investing in stocks, investing in real estate, throwing your money in cryptocurrency will not do the miracle. You need to fix your life first, and then you'll be able to fix your finances. What do you think about this video? Do you think people out there need to fix their lives first before they even think about fixing their finances? Comment down below in the comment section. Let us continue discussing. Cheers, guys. I look forward to share with you other amazing videos next time. Take care.